In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a background using Canva Pro. Whether you're a seasoned Canva user or just starting, this process is straightforward and quick, taking just about 5 minutes. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva Pro account, which gives you access to the background remover feature, an invaluable tool for achieving a polished, professional look in your designs. Let's dive right in. Start by selecting an image that you'd like to edit. To do this, simply click on the image in your Canva workspace. You'll find that selecting an image is your gateway to a variety of editing options, a wonderful aspect of Canva that allows for significant customization at your fingertips. Once you've got your image selected, navigate over to the tools found typically on the left-hand side of Canva's interface. Here you should see various editing features. What you're looking for is the BG Remover tool, although this will only be accessible if you're using Canva Pro. With its robust capabilities, this tool can seamlessly isolate your subject from whatever background it may originally have. When you click on BG Remover, Canva Pro's sophisticated technology goes to work. There's a brief moment as the tool analyzes your image. Be patient here. The processing might take a few seconds as Canva's algorithms determine the edges of your subject against the background. It's truly remarkable how the software handles even complex images, providing a clean and crisp cut. Once the process is complete, you'll notice that the background has been removed from your image, leaving you with a pristine subject against a transparent backdrop. This transparency gives you the flexibility to overlay the image onto other designs or backgrounds, offering endless creative possibilities. As a tip, take a moment to closely inspect the edges of your subject. While Canva's automation generally does an exceptional job, it may occasionally need a little manual adjustment. Use the eraser or restore brush tools within Canva to perfect any areas that may require additional refinement. And there you have it. In just a few steps and a couple of minutes, you've successfully removed the background from your image using Canva Pro. This tool is perfect for creating anything from professional presentations to engaging social media posts, allowing for a higher level of customization and personalization in your graphics. Experimentation is key, so feel free to explore Canva's other features once you've removed your background, like adding new backgrounds, enhancing your subject with filters, or incorporating text. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and happy designing with Canva Pro.